Hello guys, welcome to my channel Excel Tips once again. So today after a long time we have a topic that is use of Xlookup function in Excel. So Xlookup and VLOOKUP function are used to find a value or to look up a value from a set of range and return a related result. Xlookup function is more flexible to use rather than VLOOKUP function. So let's start the function. How to start it? Suppose we have over here the state name and short form and traditional abbreviation, and here we have the full name of the state, and we need a short form from this data, right, from this range. So let's start. First of all, we need to equals to Xlookup function. What is our lookup value? Our lookup value is the name, that is Arizona. Then where is the lookup array? Here. We need to select it all. All right. Then from where it will return the data from this table range. Right. Now we need exact value. Then we will put over here. Right. So let's see the data come here. Right. So here the formula returned us a result, that is Arizona short form AZ. If here we have the name, suppose we have Indiana, so it will change automatically because we haven't deleted the formula yet. So the short form of Indiana is IN. So guys, that's how this formula work, and hope you guys got it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please implement it.